Here's decades of neuroscience summarized in a single sentence. You are in charge of your own brain. Each neuron in your brain can make up to 40,000 individual connections, but those connections can increase or decrease, all depending on how you use your brain. By adopting healthy brain habits, you can increase your connectivity by 31%, boost your reasoning ability by as much as 20%, and reduce your risk of developing dementia by up to 33%. It's up to you. By treating our brains the way we treat our muscles or our hearts, we can inoculate against decline and turn our brains into high-performance machines. Join the brain performance movement and take on the greatest challenge of our time.